Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to access government services in the UAE without paperwork, you can meet UAE Pass, that is your digital identity for secure and easy access to online services. So in today's video, we will quickly break down what it is and what are its benefits and how you can actually use it. So first, we need to understand what is UAE Pass. So UAE Pass is a national digital identity that lets you and the citizens log in, sign documents and verify their identity online, all without visiting offices. So it replaces traditional usernames and passwords, making online services more secure and convenient. Now let's talk about some of its benefits. So with the help of UAE Pass, you can get access to the government and private sector services with one account. You can sign documents legally without printing or scanning. There is no need for physical documents and everything is stored digitally. And with the help of this application, there is no more long queues because it gives you the access to the services anytime, anywhere. Now let's just understand what can you use UAE Pass for. So log in into your government portals like UAE Ministry of Interior and Dubai Now, applying for visas, residencies and official documents online. You can use it to sign the contracts and form electronically, and you can even use it to get access to the services from banks, telecom providers and utility companies. So in order to use it, you just have to simply apply for it. And to apply for it, you need to download and install the UAE Pass mobile application, and then you can create your account by selecting these options. I have created a detailed tutorial on how you can apply for UAE Pass with the help of UAE Pass mobile application. So make sure you check out that video on my channel as well. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such guides. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.